Alright, what are you guys gonna watch?
We're gonna watch some fucking scary ass shit.
Girl crying?
Yeah, I don't even know this fool, okay?
Caesar, wait for the camera.
It's your friend, not mine. Alright, ready? I'll put it all fucking...
His eye? His eye.
Damn, dude.
I fucking hate watching.
Why?
It scares me. I think this is it, yeah. I don't know if they're gonna show her. Wow. It's a girl crying, fool. It's a real girl. I don't know how to get it off though. Like, look. Oh, where is she at? Where is she at?
Right there. Shit.
Oh, look at her hair.
Damn, you guys.
She's right outside the door.
Go, but she's gonna be right there.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Yes, fucker! That was fucking awesome!
Don't freak out now.
Oh, fuck you guys!
Alright, I'll see you later.
Alright, later.